Upfit proudly introduces the world's first Tesla Cybertruck patrol vehicle ready for use by public safety officials everywhere. From police and fire departments to military and tactical response agencies. This cutting-edge platform represents a significant leap forward in first responder vehicle solutions, setting a new standard for safety, efficiency, and innovation. Upfit Cybertruck can be customized for tactical, military or search and rescue missions with available prisoner partitions, storage for weapons and specialty tools, K9 enclosures, upgraded vehicle dynamics with specialized forged wheel and tire packages, braking systems, and optional upgrades for extreme off-road usage, as well as Starlink internet connectivity. Law enforcement agencies and fleet operators will find the Upfit Cybertruck a key advancement in practical policing, offering officers the best tools to protect and serve communities effectively.